In this video, we will see H5P attempts and then how H5P activity appears in the gradebook. How can we review the attempts, user attempts as a teacher. For any H5P content type you add, make sure that that is from the content bank. Then only it will appear in the gradebook. And next point is, whenever you add any H5P activity, for example, this activity we'll take and go to edit settings. In the settings, while adding any H5P activity from your content bank, under attempt options, make sure that you enabled attempt tracking. By default, it will be yes, but make sure. And grading method also you please specify highest grade or first attempt or last attempt. Okay. So this way you can see a very good analysis of attempts. Let's go back and see this view all attempts. You can click on this. This is one way of accessing activity attempts. I'll show from the gradebook also. So when you click on this, you will see the username and the score and number of attempts. Okay, this is 100% score, but number of attempts took is 3. When we click on this view user attempts, this is the table that you get: date, score, maximum score, duration, that is time spent, completion, success. Okay, and then what are these completion and success columns talk about? Completion is that whether the user has gone through till the end of that particular activity or not. Success column talks about whether the user achieved 100% score or not. Okay, this data, attempts report data, is obtained only from the H5P activity. Remember that. Okay. When you observe this, the score the user got is 7 and maximum is 7. That's why success is marked ticked here. The success is marked as ticked. But here if you observe, the score is 2. That means the user scored only 2 and maximum score is 7. So that's why though the user gone through that entire activity, the success is marked as null. Okay, there is no tick mark. It is marked as fail actually. The words they used are pass and fail. When you click on this view report, you can see a detailed report of that particular attempt. Okay, what is the correct answer for that attempt. Okay, how to access this from the gradebook? When you click on these grades, okay, this is how all the activities and resources appear in the gradebook. When you specify certain grade and all, when you make it a gradable activity, it will directly appear in the gradebook. Make sure you add H5P activity from the content bank. Okay, when you click on this small icon here, you will see a grade analysis, the same page that we have seen, or directly you can go to the main report, attempts report page by clicking on this. We'll see both of them. First we'll click this activity and then the same page, that user and user attempts, number of attempts. From the activity page also we land here only. Or if we click on the small icon here next to the score, we will see the analysis page. Okay, this is about attempts report of H5P and gradebook.